In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Wix, a popular platform that offers tools for building your own site quickly and effectively. We're going to walk through each step to get you from knowing nothing about website creation to having your site online. Firstly, begin by navigating to your preferred search engine and type in the word Wix. This is the first step to accessing the Wix website where all the magic happens. You'll promptly see the option for Wix in the results, which will guide you to their overview page, presenting you with an offer to build a free website. It's an appealing option for both beginners and experienced users looking to host a site without upfront costs. Once you're on the Wix homepage, you will notice a call to action button labeled Free Website Builder. Clicking on this button will take you to a page where you can start the creation process. This is where you'll kick off your journey to crafting a personalized website experience. After accessing the website builder, look for the Start Now button, prominently displayed to make it easy to dive into the process. Clicking Start Now will lead you to a registration page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to create an account. Signing in with your email is straightforward, as it just requires you to enter your email address and set up a password, enabling access to the Wix dashboard where you can manage your site and its settings. Wix makes it even simpler by providing the option to Continue with Google, which allows you to sign in using your Google account credentials. This feature saves time and bypasses the need to remember yet another password. Once you're logged in, the Wix dashboard is your next stop. You'll see a variety of sections, but for now, turn your attention to the Site and Mobile App menu. Click into this section, which will serve as the foundation for building your mobile-friendly website. Here, you are presented with multiple choices, and you should select Mobile App to further tailor your site's user experience on mobile devices. Within the Mobile App section, look for the Edit Mobile App option. This function allows you to tweak and refine the appearance and functionality of your mobile app with ease, giving you the flexibility needed to perfect your site's mobile presence. Finally, after you've made your desired updates and are satisfied with the mobile version, it's time to click on Publish. This action takes your site live, making it viewable by the public and ensuring that everything you've configured is now accessible to everyone. And there you have it. You've successfully built and published your site with Wix. By following these steps, you've not only created a website, but also optimized it for mobile viewing. Great job, and enjoy your new online space.